Hello, today I will be talking about Yoga Sutra 12 of Patanjali's Yoga Sutra, Chapter 1. There might be some background noises since I'm traveling currently, so please excuse these background noises in this video. So Patanjali defined yoga as restraining or controlling the modifications of the mind, and he also mentioned 5 different modifications of the mind in previous sutras which we have seen in my previous videos. And those 5 modifications are correct knowledge, incorrect knowledge, fancy, sleep, and memory. And in this sutra, Patanjali talked about how do you actually restrain the modifications of the mind. Is there any way to do it? So we'll read this Sutra 12 today. It goes as follows. Abhyas Vairagyabhyam Tan Nirodha. So Abhyas here means practice. Vairagya is detachment or dissipation. Abhyam is like together. Tan is like there. Nirodha is to control or restrain. We have seen this word Nirodha in Patanjali's Yoga Sutra in the beginning, where he talks about the Nirodha or the restraint of the modification of the mind is yoga. So here there are 2 things which need to happen together for restraining the modification of the mind. The first one is abhyas, is practice. So Patanjali we will see in Patanjali's next sutras what this practice would look like. So for anything we need practice, so that if we are learning to play an instrument, we practice a lot and then we gain skill in that. Similarly, we also need practice in order to restrain the modification of the mind. And the second one is vairagya or detachment or dissipation. So detachment here is detachment from enjoying this sensory things or getting identified with the world. I mentioned in my self-observation video that when we just get identified with our thoughts, emotions, sensations, so here vairagya, detachment would look like where we do not identify with our thoughts, emotions, and sensations. We just see them as they are. So by doing these 2 items, practice and detachment together, the modification of the mind are stopped. And there are various spiritual practices to do that, and Patanjali talked about all these practices in this chapter in various sutras. So one practice I could suggest is to do self-observation, to observe your thoughts, emotions, and sensations whenever they come, and you observe in a detached way. So by doing this, you are not only practicing self-observation, but you are also trying to practice detachment or dispassionately looking at things. So we will see what abhyas or practice and vairagya would look like from Patanjali's next Yoga Sutras. Thank you for listening this video.